Today I am going to take apart this computer power supply. It's an old unit and the fan has a bad bearing. Also, this has all of the connectors that a computer power supply would usually have, and let's start by taking off the fan. So the fan is held in with 4 screws. And by removing the fan, we should be able to look at some of the electronics inside. Okay, I'm going to remove the fan first. And this is the label of the fan. Okay. And inside the power supply, we've got some components. And also, this capacitor has a slight bulge on the top, meaning that it's defective. So I will pause and remove the rest of the screws and then come back. So I removed the top cover, which is here, and there is a bit of some plastic in it, which I assume is like an insulator or something. And there's another piece of plastic around the circuit board to insulate it from the grounded case, because if there wasn't this piece of paper here, by plastic, if there wasn't a piece of plastic insulating the circuit board from the metal case, it would cause a short circuit as soon as you plugged it in, and that wouldn't be good. So we have some, let's zoom in just a little. So we have 2 big capacitors here, and also there are some other, like inductors, some green boxes, there are some little metal blocks here that act as heat sinks for the power chips. And this is the capacitor that has a little bulge on it. There's quite a big inductor here, another capacitor, and the transformers that supply power to the computer. And there's this little sideboard that had the fan connected to it. And there's a weird chip down inside that has 1 pin missing from it. It's an interesting little chip. And now I will measure to see if the ground pin of the mains input connector over here is connected to the case. So I will get my meter. And I will connect, and I will connect 1 pin of the meter to the ground connection of the mains connector, and the other pin to the case. And the case is grounded through this little wire right here. That is good. So this is what is inside of a computer power supply.